Hey guys, so we are in our math packet for day 1. So it's the stamp challenges. How many stamps do you see? What is the total cost of stamps? So let's see how many stamps I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 stamps total. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can solve this problem. First thing you could do is you could add up your rows. And then, so I know that this is 12, these two are 12, and then this is 6. So 12 plus 6 equals 30. And then this row equals 30. And I know 30 cents plus 30 cents is 60 cents. Okay, I could do it that way. Or I could do it this way. And I could do 6 plus 6 is 12. I'm just adding all of these, and I would still get 60, or you could do it like an array. You could do, I'm sorry, not like an array, because these are worth 6, so you could do 10, because you have 10 stamps, and you could multiply that by 6 and get 60 cents. So any of these 3 ways works. Let's move on to part B. Stevie has 4 cards with 8 stamps on each card. Cindy has 8 cards with 4 stamps on each card. Ooh, so who has more? So I'm going to draw a picture of this. Alright, I know 8 plus 8 is 16, so these two are 16, and these two are 16. 16 plus 16, that would be 32. So I'm going to write, this is Stevie. Alright, and in a different color, let's do blue. I'm going to do Cindy's 8 cards with 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to make circles because it's easier. So I know 4 plus 4, that's 8. 4 plus 4, that's 8. 4 plus 4, that's 8. Let me zoom in for you guys. There, that might be easier. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, again, I can keep narrowing this down and grouping them. So I can do 8 plus 8, that's 16. And 16 plus 16 is 32. So, who has more stamps? Stevie or Cindy? They both have 32. So, they have the same amount. Since we're multiplying here, that's one way that you can solve it. Stevie's multiplication problem would be 8 times 4, and Cindy's multiplication problem would be 4 times, I'm sorry, well, yeah, you could do it, would be 4 times 8, and we know that you can flip these two numbers and you'll get the same answer. Alright, missing digits. Fill in the blanks with the missing digits. The answer closer to 200 than 100. Oh, to make the answer. Okay. So, you could do a lot of different things here. But I want to make the answer closer to 200 than 300. So I know if you cut 400 in half, you get 200. Okay. So if I make this let's just plug in some numbers here. I'm going to erase these. So if I do 400 minus 100, that would be 300. But if I do 400 minus, let's see, if I do 400 minus 150, let's see what I get there. I get a 5, oh, I'm sorry, a 10 here. 10 minus, that's 5, 4, that turns into a 3, and then I get a 2 here. So I'm close to 200, but I'm in between 200 and 300. So again, I'm going to try 400 minus, so I went, if I do 400 minus 100, I just get 300. So up here I counted by 50, so I need to get, and I got 250, so I need to keep increasing this number. So let's say 100 and, let's do 180. 0 minus 0 is 0, turns into a 10. 10 minus 8, that's 2. The 4 turns into a 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. I'm getting close. Let's see if I can go any more. I'm going to go over here. 400 minus 190. 0 minus 0 is 0. I can't take away 9 from here, so I had to go next door, borrow 10 more. That turns into a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. My 4 turns into a 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 210, that's pretty close. So I'm going to now do my, so I'm going to make this number 400 minus 190, and I'm going to just keep increasing this number to see if I can get really close to 200 here. So 400 minus 195. Let's see what that gives us. I can't do this, so I had to go next door, borrow 10 more, but I can't go next door, so I had to go all the way to the hundreds and borrow 10 more. So then that would make this a 10. Now I can borrow from, and this would be a 3. Now I can borrow from my 10 spot. That would make it a 9, and this would be a 10. So 10 minus 5, that's 5. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Alright. Now again, I can keep on going because I still have 5 left. I won't be able to get all the way there because I already know that 400 minus 200 is 200. But there's a 1 already here, so I have to, so let's try 400 minus 199. That's as close as I can get to 200. Alright, gotta go next door, borrow 10 more. There's nothing to borrow there, so I have to go next door again, borrow 10 more, so that makes this a 10. Now I can go next door, borrow 10 more, so that turns this, and this is now a 3, this is a 9, and this is a 10. Because I had to go next door, take away 10 from this number right here, and then I'm left with 9 tens left. Anyway, 10 minus 9, that's 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I think that's as close as I'm going to get to 200. But this number here that I had to subtract is 199. Alright. Let's read the next one. Dressing up. Mary likes to dress up her dogs. One wears a hat, one wears a coat, and one wears a scarf. Their names are Spot, Tag, and Barney. Tag loves to wear the scarf. Spot won't wear the coat. Match each dog with what it wears. Explain your thinking. Okay, so we have, I'm going to make mine in different colors. I'm going to write out their names. So we have Spot. My pen just died. Okay, we have Spot, we have Tag, and we have And it says Tag loves to wear the scarf. So Tag is going to wear the scarf. And Spot won't wear the coat. So Spot won't wear the coat. Barney has to wear the coat because Tag is not wearing it because Tag's already wearing the scarf. So Barney wears the coat. And then, so that means we're left with a hat. So Spot has to wear the hat. Because they have to wear this because Tag already has dibs on the scarf. And Spot refuses to wear the scarf. So he has to wear, the coat. So he can't wear the coat. So Barney just has to wear the coat. And so that just leaves the hat for Spot. These are some really human looking dogs that they're wearing hats, scarves, and coats. I remember my cousin would put pajamas, like full on pajamas on her dogs. It was really weird. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and comment below, and I will see you guys for day 2.